So there was a tractor run today and we get to see it. So we're gonna get ready for the tractors. Do you see the lights?
Yeah.
Oh, they're coming.
Might be a bit loud.
They're on their way.
Do you want me to put the hood up?
Yeah.
Oh my god, this is going to be brilliant.
Yeah, it is.
It really is.
If it gets too loud, put your hands on your
see
ears.
them?
There you go. Good girl.
I can see
Just
my
enjoy
top.
it, okay? Just remember there's just loud noises, don't worry.
Look, you see the top. Oh, they're coming. They're coming. Oh, just you wait. Just you wait, guys. It's going to be absolutely brilliant. They're coming closer. It's so loud. So loud.
Cover up your ears though. You need to cover up your ears so that you don't get a headache. Like,
Yeah, cover up your ears.
Okay. I need to
Cover up your ears. Right, here they come. Aw. There's too much people. I'm going to have to wait them to come around so I can film it. I'm going to have to make them come around this bit because then there's not people blocking the way. Hello, okay, you can you see them? Oh, it's brilliant. Whoa, so cool. A fire truck. Whoa, look at this one. It's got antlers. Oh, look at the trailer. Santa. Whoa. All the lights. Just a few cars. There we go. You might want to cover your ears if it's too loud.
If you cover up your ears, it will be better, okay? So yeah, cover up your ears. Well done, okay?
Now here comes the little one. Oh, the horns. Whoa, look at this one. Remember, if it's too loud, cover up your ears.